Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me, so stay tuned. Out to be Jillian Michaels 6-week 6-pack. This is one of my go-to favorite HIIT ab workouts. It's only 35 minutes long, and she kicks your butt. I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and I'm sore the next day. No matter how many times I've done this, I always come back to it because it's just so effective. I love this workout. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. Today's breakfast is avocado toast with egg and cheese and a little bit of hot sauce. And I'm also going to have a strawberry banana smoothie just to get my fruits in. I actually ended up doing a little bit of egg white just to add a little bit of extra something on there. So this is my go-to breakfast. I love it. It's quick, easy, and delicious. She is just a strawberry banana smoothie, some toast with avocado, eggs, cheese, and my favorite aardvark habanero sauce. Delicious. Give this a try, see how it tastes. You can't really go wrong with avocado toast and eggs, ever. It's yummy. We had a little bit of time to kill before my cousin's birthday party, so my dad and I decided to go hit a bucket of balls together, approved by his physical therapist. He is on the mend from a broken rotator cuff, so we're just out here practicing and keeping him moving. Just got home from driving range with Pops, and now I'm gonna get ready for my cousin's party, and here we go. They get ready with me. Let all of that marinate together, and then I do my hair. That's what we're doing next. Hair. My hair is super long, takes forever to do. I don't know about you guys, but I like to do my hair first just to get it out of the way. So I don't put my makeup on first and then do my hair and start sweating all my makeup off. So I do not do my makeup first. I do my hair first. And this is my favorite. This is the GOAT. Yes, I said it. So there we go. This was my travel size from when I was flight attending, which is done now. So I haven't had to buy the big size again yet. So I'm just gonna use this. Keep going with that until it's done. So today I think I'm gonna curl my hair because it's faster. For me, straightening it takes a very long time because I get kind of annoying about it. I want to make sure that all the parts in the back are straight and I don't miss any, and there's like a weird wavy thing going on back there, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna dry my hair and then I'll be right back. Anyone else feel like fucking Mufasa when they're done? No? Just me? Look at this mane! It's crazy! Seriously, I don't do my hair all the time because it's a lot. It's so much hair. It takes hours and hours. It's taking, well, okay, not hours and hours. That's a little dramatic. If I were to straighten my hair, blow dry, straighten, shampoo, all that stuff, I think it would take an hour and a half to do my hair. And I think that is abnormal. A lot of girls that I see that look so cute and all put together all the time, they don't have this ridiculousness. This is just crazy. I've honestly had hairdressers break up with me before over it. Not my best friend though. She loves me and plays with my hair. She does a good job. But this, I don't blame them. They're like, fuck this bitch and get her out of here. I don't blame them. It takes so long to do my hair. Okay, we're gonna curl it now. Brush it all out. And then I separate, I don't know, just right mid-ear. I start with very small pieces. Yes, I had to go put a bra on underneath this because the boobies be wildin'. So we just gotta calm them down real quick. While we do this, I pin up my hair. I use these FoxyBae clips. It's not like the cutest thing I've ever done with myself, but we're just whatever. Oh my god, what if I cut my hair like this? I'm not doing that. Split it in the middle and get going. For the back, I just lightly curl. I'm mostly just trying to calm everything down. If I curl it too much, then remember the lion mane a few minutes ago? It'd be like that but curly. So I try to just smooth everything out and like lay it down a little flat underneath. Actually, I want to do like a cute little braid. It almost looks a little like wedding hair, but that's just what I get every single time. Wedding hair. You know, I can't help it. It's just how it goes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put my shirt on before I mess with it anymore, but right now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna stick with a natural look today. I don't want to do the full everything. I just want a simple, clean look since my hair is already so much oomph. I don't want to do any more oomph on my face. You know what I'm saying? So I will walk you through that. Seriously, most mornings I use 2 products. What do I use? Tinted moisturizer and mascara. And that's it. It's the Clinique, this Clinique CC cream, if you can see that, in light medium. Even though I have a tan, it's still, it matches pretty well. And then I love the Burberry Cat Lash Mascara, but I can't find it anywhere. I think they discontinued it, which makes me really sad. And I keep this because I want the wand. I can't find a wand that is exactly like it, and I loved the wand. I want it forever. So I'm just milking this as much as I can. Right now it's basically done. I need another one. But today I'll do a little eyeshadow. Eyeshadow and some blush, a few extra products, not anything crazy, but also not just 2, because I am gonna be at a party, so let's get going on that. Just get a little on there. This is gonna be a super basic, clean look. I'm not trying to really do much here. And it's also 2 o'clock and I'm supposed to be there by 3, so we're picking up the pace, people, picking up the pace. Now I'm gonna hit breakaway, just do a little boop, boop, boop. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Not a makeup artist, but I do like makeup, so here we are. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Basics. I really like, let's see, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna use that. Yes, I am gonna use that. And I'm just gonna take my Sephora blending creasing brush and the color Faith. That's the Urban Decay. Yes, my mirror fell out. This is an old palette, but I really like it. And just get right in there. To step out of the light for a second and see what's going on. Do a little bit more. Okay, pretty. Done with that one. And now I'm just gonna go back to the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and use Stranded. I'm just going to use my finger for this one. Just kind of get it in there just a little bit. And I kind of want to darken up the edges, the side. So I'm going to do Good Is Gone, and I'm just going to darken up the corner just a little bit. And pat that on lightly. Then I just want to blend it a little. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing for the eyes. Just kidding, I lied. I like to use, what do I like to use? My little angle brush with the spoolie. And I'm just gonna do a little shadow liner with the black, with Jet. Just a little. I'm left-handed, so this is super weird and awkward for me, coming across the camera like that. But doing my best. I usually start right in the middle, and I get as close to the lash line as I can, and then just kind of move out and up from there. So I can create that little wingy thingy. So professional. Okay. Good so far. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, but I honestly don't understand how some of the other girls on here on YouTube do their eyebrows first. I would mess them up. So I do them last, actually. I am a little different like that. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm just taking my Clinique Moisture Surge CC cream, hydrating, light medium, taking some of that, and I mixed the GLAMGLOW, just the nude glow. So I mix these two together. I really like how it turns out. It gives that little extra glowy look. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I don't know, just about. I'm telling you, I'm not fancy at all. I'm almost out of that. I need more. Just mixing them together. Just like lotion. Setting powder. I really like this powder. It's just a dream. It sets everything so nicely. Just hold down. Ugh, I just poked my eyeball. Just want to make it, you know, all work. Not all moving. I want to stay where I put it. I'm gonna do my highlight first because I like to make sure that it's well blended. So just, I hit pan on this, but I like it. It's Worthy out of the Tarte blush. What is this? Blush Bazaar. It's cute. I don't think I've ever looked at the names before. But now I do, because people want to know. Do a little more. Boop. Boop the floof. Crack myself up, clearly. Okay, now blush. That's the pattern I like. So I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna use the angelic color. It's pretty matte, pretty neutral. Just pop it right on there. Done with that, but then I take the brush that I just had with the setting powder and just blend it in. Okay, did my eyebrows. They're not twins. They're more like long distance cousins. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. We're good. So I'm gonna curl and then put mascara on, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. All right, there's my final look. UGG boots, Levi's, H&M, Ray-Ban. I just ended up putting a little clip in my hair, a couple of earrings. I was gonna do some necklaces, but they're all tangled, so I didn't wanna do that. I'm probably gonna wrap up the video here. I just don't know if people are gonna wanna be filmed, so I just would rather not try to have a camera in their face during a party. So we're just gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. I will see you